For project part 2, I used data that looked at the locations of different high schools in New York City. So if we hover over these points, we can see that what type of high school they are. Some of them are like a public school, and others are specialized in like economics and finance or technology or business or some other specialization. And you can also look at the density of where most schools are located. For my second visual, I have 4 lines, and these lines represent the percent of students in the school that are this ethnicity. So we have 4 ethnicities: Black, Asian, Hispanic, and white, and we can correlate the population of each of these ethnicities to the poverty rate in the school. So you can look at the general trend of the graph and see which ethnicity is most closely correlated to a high poverty rate.